Hey, I'm with Greg Kelly from the Kelly Auto Group in Emmaus, Pennsylvania, and we're taking a look at the new location of Kelly Buick GMC. Greg, tell us about what's going on. And what was the rotation on the lineup here?
Okay, so as we just said before, we had Buick, Jeep, and GMC down there. We got Dodge and Chrysler, so we took Buick and GMC, moved it into the X building for Saturn of the Valley, and now that's Kelly, Buick, and GMC. And we can still service your Saturns because we are still the place and the man to get your Saturns service. So we got Buick and GMC, buy them right here, and you can still bring your Saturn here for service.
All right, now with Saturn being retired as a brand, any problems regarding warranty, Greg?
Well, that's as good as good. We got chosen to be the place to come in the valley to come get your car serviced. We can do the warranty work here. We have the trained technicians. We've got the tools. We have the know-how to get it done.
Thank you very much, Greg.